All right, here we are, day 3 at Junior Gold, sitting in second place overall, going into the first advancers round. We got 5 games this morning and then 5 games this afternoon before they make the cut to the top 16 for match play tonight. Top 4 get automatic spots for Junior Team USA after the 10 games today.
What's up, guys? Welcome to day 3 of Junior Gold, Indianapolis, Indiana. We got more games of match play today. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. If you aren't already subscribed to the Crew Empire, do it right now. What are you waiting for? Day 3. Roll the opening.
What he said. Let's do it.
can't believe again. Straight line and go for it.
What's up, you guys? We're out here. I'm trying to unlock a new ability. I'm way out right now. I bowled pretty bad last block. But hey, if I'm here, there's a fighting chance. 250 every game is out there. And I'm going to give it all of me, all my life. You know, got to represent the country proud. Trying to wear the threads nicely. Shout out Brandon Bohn behind the camera. We out.
time for the recap of the advancers round. It was a struggle this morning. Shot 850 for my 5 games, 140 to start, 140 to end. Just never got a good vision of the lanes, and just spares were hard, splits were hard, everything was just hard the first round, but got off to a pretty good start. Bowled 240 the first game, and that look went away pretty quick, bowling 170 and 150, so right back to where I started and 20 under. Made a big jump in, moved left, changed balls, had the front 8 game 4, and then bowled 190 the last game, pretty solid game as well, to sneak in the top 4 for the automatic spot on Junior Team USA. Year number 2, you know, it was a long week. I thought there for a little bit I wasn't going to quite get there. You know, after 240 the first game, I thought I gave myself a chance. Then bowl 170, 150. I did the math with 2 to go. I was 10th place and 61 out of 4th for that automatic spot. Bowled 260 with the front 8 and just filled frames the last game to shoot 190 and to sneak in. Man, it's an incredible feeling and one honor to be back on Junior Team USA going into 2024. But now, we got match play tonight. Got Parker Laubach my first match, and you guys will just have to stay tuned for that. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one for match play. Peace.